To install the WatchGuard MFA client AuthPoint on an Android phone, start by going to the Play Store. In the Play Store, search for AuthPoint. You will see WatchGuard AuthPoint as the first selected option. Install this app. Once installed, open the app. At this point, check your email. You should have an email from cloud.watchguard.com. Inside of this email, you will see a Start Activation button. Once you click the activation button on your computer, you will see a QR code. Click the Activate button in this app. Allow the camera and scan the QR code. It will take a moment to activate the token. Congratulations, you have successfully activated the token. Click Close. Now save the token. If you see a number with the red bar slowly filling, you have completed